a great day to play RCs.
Wait a minute. Who is that on that yellow jacket?
Me, Diego. And I am an RC fan. I love RCs. Right here is a tomato something. For some reason, somebody broke it and crashed it. Kaboom. But also, so my dad and me, we fixed it together. He did help me. Well, technically, he was kind of the one who fixed it. I helped. And that's what made it worth it. So then, now it runs like a dream. I love it! And now, let's see how it tests. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit a big thumbs up.